Hey there, Saidi Johnson, Marine Max Sailing Ski 183 location, Austin, Texas. Today we're going to talk about the SPX 210 2019 model Outboard. One of my favorite things about this boat is that it's got lots of storage.
Because there's no engine inside here. Once in the boat, you can get a good look at some of the classic styling that Sea Ray has always had and has updated just enough to be modern but still classic. Beautiful vinyl, snap-in sea deck. This is the tan or mocha color that they would call it. The entry, exit is nice and open. Got a few storage spots in here. One has a cooler in it. Another compartment down here that you can see to store a few things. Windshield walk-through, nice open, comfortable bow. Nice glove box. Nice new Fusion radio sound system. Several speakers. Depth finder. So one of the other things you have here is a rear facing lounge backrest or a forward facing captain's chair or dual helm seat. Another one of my favorite attributes of the boat is this outboard. It's quiet, very quiet. It's a plus. Good looking, powerful, saltwater friendly. The other thing is the boat also comes with a saltwater friendly trailer that has a swing tongue on the front. So those are things that go along with the saltwater friendly. But with Sea Ray's classic lines, this boat also has a very sleek look and is ready for you to get on the water and zip around. So in conclusion, this is one of my favorite boats. Really sleek, really stylish, spacious, quiet as ever on ride because of that quiet outboard. Don't forget about that. All the space that you have for storage on board. So if you want to see a boat that's a nice ride on the water, stylish, classic, inexpensive, come see us. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, please call me or our other staff members, or come see us at our locations, Austin, Lakeway, San Antonio. We'll see you on the water.